Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, headlights auto off, mirror memory, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.